Well, I mean, I can't.
No, yeah.
Keep rubbing until.
Well, yeah. Give it a few minutes. Give it a few minutes.
I feel it.
Yeah.
Like squeezing it. Come on, would you go?
Hey, just what?
Now there's also cotton balls.
Sorry, Nat. There you go. She goes. Well, I'm leading
look at
that
her.
one towards you.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
So
This
she'll
one has
go.
a very long cord.
You know what? She goes to
Yeah.
the crying one.
Well, that's good. That,
Yeah.
This guy doesn't go quick.
Look at their little feet.
High five.
High five.
Do you like to go poo? Yes, you do. What you doing?
This one will not go either. Is that? I'm afraid I'm gonna rub them off.